So, good morning, students. Let's start with the page number 72, English course book. Okay, in last class sessions, we knew about tense. Which type of tense? Simple past tense, past continuous tense, and we learnt about simple present and present continuous. Okay, so we are done with exercise B, page number 72. We had already done in those class sessions. So today we are going to start with next one, future tense. Okay, what is the meaning of future? What is the meaning of future?
मैम बीत जो आने वाला है.
Yes, good. Future tense हमारे जो आगे आने वाला टाइम होता है, that is called future. Future means भविष्य. Okay, in Hindi we call future भविष्य. And what is भविष्य? That action that are expected to happen in coming time. जो आगे आने वाले समय में बातें होती है, होने वाले एक्शन होते हैं, those are called future tense. Okay, so in future tense we talk about an action that is expected to take place in the future. फ्यूचर टेंस में हम ऐसे एक्शंस को जानते हैं जो आगे आने वाले समय में होने वाले हैं. ओके, लाइक शी विल प्ले इन द इवनिंग. ओके, शी विल प्ले इन द इवनिंग. ओके, will is the helping verb of या identification verb of future tense. Okay, so will से हम ये समझेंगे she will play in the evening. वो आज शाम को खेलेगी. It means that this action is being expected to happen in coming evening, जो आने वाली शाम को होगा. Okay, and what is the identification of simple future tense? Will or shall plus verb. Okay, verb की base form use होगी. First form of who's talking?
ये कहाँ लेके
Okay, so helping verb of future tense are will or shall. कौन से helping verb use होते हैं? What helping verbs do we use for future tense?
Will and shall.
Good. Will and shall. Okay. Will with will किसके साथ यूज होगा? He, she,
This, that.
okay, and this, that. Okay, and shall,
I, we, you, these, those.
I and will. Sorry, we. I, we. Okay. Now let me show you with the example. Where do we use will? When we want to make something, some prediction. What is the prediction? In Hindi we call the prediction bhavishyavani. Okay, the thing which we talk about is going to happen in coming time. जो आगे आने वाले समय में जो बातें होती हैं उसको हम prediction कहते हैं. Okay, like I will, right? I will. We can form this sentence by using both kinds of verb, either will or shall. Okay, I के साथ हम shall का भी यूज करते हैं और will का कहाँ करेंगे? When we are confirmed about something, when we want to predict something. जब हम किसी चीज के बारे में कंफर्म कोई बात बोलने वाले होंगे वहां पर हम क्या यूज करेंगे? will. Okay, और when we want make any kind of promise, जहां पे हम किसी तरीके का कोई प्रॉमिस करते हैं, there we use shall with I and we. Okay, clear? Is it clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Like अगर मैं यहाँ पर कुछ अपने लिए प्रेडिक्ट करूं, I will play in the evening. क्लियर? मैं शाम को खेलूंगी या खेलूंगा. Here I am just giving a simple prediction for me. Clear? And if I want to make any kind of promise for something, if I want to promise for something, then I will write I shall play in the evening. Clear? I shall play in the evening. Here I am making a promise with somebody that I will play in the evening. If your friend comes and asks to you to play with him, you make a promise with him. I shall play with you. Clear? I shall play with you in the evening. So when we want to make any kind of promise, we use shall. And if we are confirmed about anything, we want to predict something, भविष्य में हम कोई चीज करने वाले हैं और हम उसके बारे में बताना चाहते हैं, then we use will. Clear? Is it clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm going to tell you about future continuous tense. Okay? Because your coming exercises will be based on the future tense only. Okay? Now we knew about simple future tense. Now coming to the topic future continuous tense. Okay? What did I tell you about continue? I told about continue. What is the meaning of continue?
मैम जो चल रहा है.
किसी चीज का लगातार होना, कंटिन्यू. ओके? कंटिन्यू, लगातार होना. So the action that will take place for a period of time. Okay, where the time is given. ठीक है, जहां पर पीरियड का कोई एक टाइम भी दिया होता है, and there the work is being to be happen for the continue for that time. ओके, उस टाइम तक के लिए किसी काम का लगातार होना पाया जाता है. क्लियर? ओके. So in future continuous tense we know about an action that will take place for a period of time in the future. कल जो आने वाला फ्यूचर है उसमें एक टाइम तक वो काम होगा. That is called future continuous tense. Now what is the identification of future continuous tense? Say will or shall and. Okay, in simple future tense we use base form of the verb, first form of the verb. Okay, but in future continuous tense we use what? ing form of the verb. Okay, will, shall plus be plus verb ing. We use the participle form of the verb in future continuous tense. Okay? Future continuous tense में we see the period of time for the future. Okay? Like if I want to tell कि वो कल खेल रही होगी. Clear?
सर मुझे तो मेडिकेटर हो गया. दो वाली है, एक टावर बंदा है, एक घर बंदा.
वो कल खेल रही होगी. Okay, she will be playing with Rolly tomorrow. Now, she will
ये पीछे बहुत गया. लाइट ड्रैगनस मारा गया.
with Rolly
तो चक्कर मार मारा गया.
sorry. Okay, clear?
आगे सब निकट गया. हमें लगे मेडिकेटर मेरी फेम भाता बन गया.
It's making noise.
नीचे देख के हाथ में जो भाता बना है ना देखते कोनो.
Okay, clear? She will be playing with Rolly tomorrow. What is the period of time given here for the future? Tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow means आगे आने वाला कल, next day. Okay, So here we can see the period of time of her playing. Okay, she will be playing. So what is the helping verb of future continuous tense? Will be or shall be. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in next videos, I will tell you that how to transform simple affirmative sentence into negative or and interrogative. आगे आने वाले वीडियोस में मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि सारे टेंस को इंट्रोगेटिव और नेगेटिव में कैसे चेंज करते हैं. करंटली वी नीड ओनली सिंपल टेंस. ओके, अफर्मेटिव. नाउ कम टू द एक्सरसाइज, पेज नंबर 73. एक्सरसाइज pair walk. Okay, take turns to ask and answer question by using in future continuous tense. Now listen, see, in first statements we have to form question by using simple future or future continuous tense. What your mother for dinner tonight? What is the meaning of tonight? What is the meaning of tonight? आज की जो आने वाली रात है.
मैम आज की रात.
Okay, so here the sentence will be formed in future continuous tense. Okay, so two blanks are given here. In first we will write, in first number what is already written. In first space we need to write will. What will, then your mother, then what is the identification of future continuous tense? Tell me, what are the verbs?
Cooking.
Cooking is okay, but for future continuous. No. What?
Cooked.
No. What do we write? Just I told. What do we write after will or shall? In future continuous tense. Verb के पहले.
Cooked.
No. Before verb. Before verb.
Cook.
No. Now let me show you example. She will be playing tomorrow. Now read the sentence thoroughly.
Will cook.
Ma'am, cooking. Yes, ma'am, cooking.
What is main verb? What is main verb in the sentence? Let me explain it to you. Main verb is playing. Okay? Helping verb is will. What more I have added here? Are you not able to see what more I have added between will and playing? Be, exactly, this one. Be. So when we make a sentence, simple future continuous tense, we need to add be between this helping verb and main verb. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So here I will write what? What do I need to write here again?
Cooking.
Cooking?
Ma'am, be cooking.
Be cooking. Good. Very good. Here I need to write be cooking. Okay? What will your mother be cooking for dinner tonight? आज रात तुम्हारी मम्मी डिनर में क्या बनाने वाली रहेंगी या क्या बनाएंगी? Okay? So answer. Now here is the answer given. She. After she, what?
Will make.
He
Will.
Making.
Why make? If the question is in future, we have to form all the sentences in future continuous tense only. Okay? Not in simple future. She
Will make.
future continuous tense.
Making.
Making is okay, but और क्या लगेगा?
Be making.
Yes,
Be.
good. She will be baking. Okay? It is the identification of future continuous tense. Shall be, will be and ing form of the verb. Verb के साथ ing लगा देते हैं. Okay? So what is verb here? Make. And I have added ing here. Okay? In next will you, then be returning. Clear? Will you be returning to Bhopal this month? This is an interrogative question. Okay, interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? The sentence
क्वेश्चन मार्क.
that shows a feel
Question.
of question. When we ask something, that is called an interrogative sentence. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम आपकी पिक मैम आपकी पिक्चर नहीं आ रही.
Now, am I visible to you?
मैम आने लगी.
Okay. Now, will you be returning to Bhopal this month? Okay? क्या इस मंथ में तुम भोपाल से वापस आ रहे हो या आने वाले हो? No. I
will not.
How would you form the answer? I
Will be going.
Yes, very good. Will be going. I will be going next month. नहीं, मैं अगले मंथ को जाऊंगा. Shall I erase it?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Ask your parents to be quiet, please. They are making
Yes,
so
ma'am.
many sounds. Whose parents are making noise?
Ma'am.
I'm making you all mute, okay? Now don't unmute your sound until I ask you to make it unmute, okay?
मैम आपकी पिक्चर नहीं आ रही.
Wait. If you can see me, then you nod your head only like this. Okay. Now, in third number, where your winter holidays. So after this question word, we will write helping verb. Where will. Okay? Where will you be spending? Where will you be spending? What is the meaning of spend? Bitana. Okay?
Spending.
Where will you be spending your winter holidays? तुम अपने winter holidays को कहाँ पर जाकर बिताओगे? So here is the answer.
I will be staying.
Yes, will be staying. Good, like this. Okay? I will be staying with my grandparents. मैं अपने grandparents के साथ stay करूँगा. Then fourth number, where you for us. After what do I need to write? After where?
Wanting, waiting, standing.
Where के बाद क्या आएगा? What will come after where? Fourth sentence, fourth.
Ma'am, where will you be?
Where will, good. Where, let me ask first. Where will, okay? Then you. After you, what will come?
Be waiting, waiting.
Be waiting.
Waiting.
Okay, good. Where will you be waiting for us? तुम हमारा कहाँ पर इंतजार कर रहे होगे या कहाँ पर हमारा इंतजार करोगे? So how do we need to form the answer?
Ma'am.
I
Will be stand.
Ma'am,
I will
be standing.
good. I will be standing. Okay. Done. Now next exercise C. Have you copied it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, let's change these statements according to the instruction in the brackets. The statements are already written, and next to the statements, their instructions are written in the brackets. We have to change the tense of the written sentence according to the instruction. Okay? Like, he learned 4 languages. Okay, I told when we add ed with the verb, the sentence becomes of past tense. जब हम वर्ब में ed लगा देते हैं तो वो क्या सेंटेंस बन जाता है?
Past tense.
Past, जो हो चुका है. Like learn is the sentence here, okay, and ed is added with the learn. He learned 4 languages. उसने 4 लैंग्वेज सीखी थी. Okay, now it is past.
He will learn.
Simple future tense. In simple future tense, the sentence will become he will learn. Learn.
He will learn होगा.
Learn 4 languages.
मैम, इस मतलब इससे कहाँ लिखना है मैम?
आगे लिख लो. Then you can copy in your spare notebook. If you don't have your notebook with you at a time, you can write it here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You can write 2 or 3 sentences here, 2 or 3. Otherwise, you can write. See, now the blank space is given here, so you can form 3 sentences here, 3 here. Then you can copy it in your notebook. Okay?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. उसी के सेंटेंस के बगल में.
Okay. Now do fast. Okay. He will learn 4 languages. वो 4 language सीखेगा. In second number, I will speak at the conference. Currently the sentence is
I
written
will
in.
be.
Ma'am, I will be.
I will be speaking.
Yes, good. I will be
Speaking.
speaking. Then you can copy the next sentence, okay? The remaining sentence you can copy from your book. I'm not going to write the full sentence now, okay? It will take too much time. In third number, they were dancing the whole night. वो पूरी रात डांस कर रहे थे.
They will dance.
Simple future, they will dance. Okay? They will dance. Okay? Now, in fourth number, she is not going anywhere. वो कहीं नहीं जा रही है.
They will be not going.
Yes, she is going. Now listen, if you want to write the negative sentence, listen, the sentence is in negative form of present continuous tense. But if you want to change the sentence into future continuous tense negative form, we use not between will and be. will और be के बीच में हम not लिखेंगे. Clear? Now
She will be going.
she will not be. Okay, she will not be going anywhere. Clear? In fifth number, we watched the film together. हमने एक साथ पिक्चर देखी थी. Future continuous. No.
We will be watching.
Yes.
We will be watching.
We
We
will
watch.
be watching. Sixth number.
मैम
One. Yes.
Ma'am, she will be.
मैम फ्यूचर टेंस में सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल के साथ दोनों में विल लगता है.
When you are confirmed about things, anything, okay? When we want any confirmed prediction, जैसे I will go there, मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा. I'm confirmed about that. I'm going there, okay? So there we use will, okay? Now
ओके मैम.
he won many awards. उन्होंने बहुत सारे अवार्ड जीते थे. Now future continuous tense.
Ma'am, she will be.
Winning. Winning. Won is the first form of the win. Win होता है जीतना. Okay? She will be winning. Okay? Okay, next exercise is based on the listening activity. So we need to leave that. Okay. In next video, we will start lesson 8, Adventure of Billy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So do practice more and more. Okay. As more as possible, you can do the practice of sentence because it is actually very difficult because sentence topic is very broad. Okay. So do practice at your home. Yes.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
ma'am.
And I will ask some questions related to these exercises only in your next class. So be prepared for that also. Okay. And in next video
Okay, ma'am.
we will see and text and reading and explanation portion of this Adventure of Billy. Clear? Okay. Now bye.
ma'am.
Bye ma'am. Bye ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Have a nice day.